Okay, I've been trying to find why my gas is leaking, and whenever I get a gas tank, whenever I fill up to a certain amount, my gas starts running out of the tank. And so anyway, I've looked on all of the forums, and I see a lot of people having the problem, but not able to find it. And there it is, right there, guys. There it is. Look at that. There it is. There it is. So I'm actually on the way to get a another. This is my fuel pump, and anyway, for some reason when I replaced it at one point, and I guess it was my doing, the plate that holds it down wouldn't secure. So I ended up having to put this wiring around it in order to secure it down. So I'm rigging it. But anyway, now I'm figuring out why